Kia Niro First Generation, Headlights Removal and Bulb Replacement. Headlights Removal. Here are some procedures to remove headlights. 1. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. 2. Remove the front bumper. To learn more about this step, check out the link in the video description below. 3. Remove the diagnosis connector, A, after loosening the mounting screw. Remove the headlamp after loosening the mounting bolts. Be careful not to damage the retaining clips, A. 5. Disconnect the connector from the headlamp as shown in the illustration. Headlamp bulb replacement. To replace headlamp bulb your Kia Niro First Generation, follow these steps. 1. Remove the dust caps, A, from the headlamp assembly after turning in the counterclockwise direction. 2. Disconnect the connector A from the socket. 3. Remove the headlamp high-low beam bulb, A, from the headlamp assembly after turning in the counterclockwise direction. Turn signal lamp bulb replacement. To replace turn signal lamp, follow these steps. 1. Remove the dust caps, A, from the headlamp assembly after turning in the counterclockwise direction. 2. Replace the turn signal lamp bulb, B, after removing the turn signal lamp socket, A, by turning in the counterclockwise direction. Moisture absorbent replacement. To replace moisture absorbent, follow these simple steps. 1. Turn the headlamp switch off. 2. Remove the dust caps, A, from the headlamp assembly after turning in the counterclockwise direction. Left side. Remove the diagnosis connector after loosening the mounting screw. Remove the dust cap. Right side. Remove the moisture absorbent bracket set, A, from the dust cover after loosening the mounting screws. B. Remove the moisture absorbent. Fold a new absorbent material as the picture below. Replace the moisture absorbent, A, with the folding side facing downwards. LED driver module removal. To remove LED driver module, do the following. 1. Remove the headlamp. To complete this step, watch the first part of the video. 2. Remove the LED driver module after loosening the mounting screws. 3. Disconnect the connector A from the LED driver module.
I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.